How to remove Instagram account from list. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. This is the settings and activity page. Scroll down to the end and tap on Log Out. Select the accounts you want to save login info for, and then tap on Log Out again. Your login info will be saved, so you won't need to enter it on your iCloud devices next time that you log in. Following these steps, you can go ahead and easily remove Instagram account from list.